Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing to you guys about the requirements needed to join the Beaver Cup build challenge in Heartopia. So right now it is the prep phase. It is your time to recruit people to join your building team. You still have around 4 days to recruit your team, so keep that in mind. You also need to have a minimum score of 1,500 for your home evaluation score. So this is my best score, so I am eligible to join the challenge. And you also need to be DG member 12, so it's not a lot. You can get it done in around like 3 days. You can get it done in a week. So if you're not there yet, you're just going to have to do again home evaluation and reach DG member 12 to join the challenge. And you have to have more than one person join the challenge. You can have just 2 people in your team, but you cannot do it by yourself. And the maximum people that can join is 4. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.